Today we are going to discuss the subtitle feature. As you can see, here is the subtitle menu. And by right-clicking the context menu, you also have the subtitle menu. So let's get started. Let's play a video file.
Robot's memory synced and locked.
So, let's lower the volume. You can see there is an automatic subtitle search, which is enabled by the Set Auto Download Subtitle setting. But it doesn't find anything. However, if you haven't enabled this setting, you can manually click this button. Just a quick search. Subtitle not found. Still unable to find subtitle. You can try the third method. Use the search panel for subtitles. By clicking that, a dialog box will appear. You can search using different methods. Normally, just leave it as search by text. By default, it used the current playing video file. Of course, you can modify this search term. Now, let's try searching for this. You can see there are subtitles available from the internet. You can change your preferred language while searching. In this case, let's pick the first one. Once you click on an item, the button will change to download. Let's click the download button. We have successfully downloaded the subtitle file. And now we have the file. We want to make sure the subtitle is correct. Let's listen to the sound and check the subtitle.
Are you ready? Of course you're ready. You're a rock star.
Yes, we can see the subtitle, but I want to change the background. By right-clicking this, we can bring up the context menu. Click on Settings. Or you can click on Preference, which has a partial subtitle preview feature. So, as you can see, you can drag the size. But it doesn't have an outline feature. Subtitle outline feature is located here. Click on Subtitle. So we want the outline feature. And then we want to remove the background. Choose a dark color. And let's increase the size a little bit. And maybe make the font style bold. Yes, let's see how it looks. Yes, the subtitle now has an outline color, which is dark. That's how you search for online subtitles. Once you have the subtitle, there's an option to export the subtitle file. We can export that. Okay. The subtitle has been exported successfully. Now, let's consider another scenario. The subtitle is not in the language you want. There is a solution for that situation. The feature is Subtitle Live Translation. Let's talk about the Live Translate Subtitle feature first. You can translate to any language you want from this list. Let's choose this one and then enable it. There are some other options for live translation. You can preserve the original text. You can prioritize quality over speed. Or prioritize speed over quality. You can also have the original text on top. In the case where you have preserved the original text, so you can see the subtitle text has been replaced with the translated text. But we have chosen to preserve the original text. Now we have bilingual subtitles. This is cool. Now let's move on to the next feature Scorpio Play provide. The AI Live Transcribe feature. Which is powered by the OpenAI Whisper language model. It has a good impact on that feature. Let's unload the subtitle. I will delete the subtitle. Now we have no subtitle. In case you can't find any subtitle from the internet, you can use this as an alternative to live transcribe your video or audio file. Let's initialize that. Initialization was successful. You can see we have English.ai. You have several options. Once it's enabled, it will run in the background, and then there's an encoder. We will extract the audio and segment it for 2 minutes. That's the current parameter. Then we will upload that one audio segment to the cloud for live transcription. Once it's live transcribed successfully, you can see the recognized text. And then, with the combination of live translating, you will see the translated text. That's the OpenAI Whisper Transcribe technology. And there are many other settings. Sometimes you may want to delay the subtitle. You can quickly click this. But if the offset is too long, you can use the subtitle audio timeline control. You can show the time step at the beginning of each line. So you can see the time step for each line. You can also have a scale, and you can drag this to offset by 10 seconds. Or you can even sync the audio if you want to delay the audio track. The audio balance allows you to adjust the balance to the left or right. You can reset all the settings by clicking Reset. That's the feature. As you can see, Scorpio Player has rich features for subtitles. There's image subtitle. You can even OCR image subtitles and render them as text. You can resize the PGS image subtitles. Something like that. You can even change the font size for positioning. We can move this. And you can have secondary subtitles. If you have them, you can select the secondary subtitle using this. It will be displayed on top. That's pretty powerful. You can load your own subtitle. Sometimes, you may want to reopen with a specific encoding for the file. I think we have covered everything. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, or leave your comments below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. That's all for this video, but don't leave yet, because I have something special for you. It's this spectacular fireworks effect.